In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own to your site using GoDaddy. To get started, open Chrome and go to your site's domain setup page. This is the area where your website platform lets you connect a custom domain, and it's where the full setup process begins. Once the page loads, look for the option that says you want to use a domain you already own. In the prompt field provided, type in your domain name carefully. Make sure it's entered exactly as it should appear, since even a small typo can cause problems later in the connection process. After entering your domain, go ahead and click Connect Domain. This tells the platform that you want to attach that existing domain to your site and moves you to the next part of the setup. At this stage, you'll usually be asked to choose your domain provider from a list. Find the provider catalog dropdown and select GoDaddy from the available options. Choosing the correct provider is important because it allows the system to guide you through the right connection method. Once GoDaddy is selected, look for the option to continue with the automated domain connection wizard. Click the validation button or link to open the GoDaddy authentication tab. This step redirects you securely to GoDaddy so the two services can communicate and complete the setup automatically. Using the automated connection is usually the easiest route because it helps avoid the need to manually update DNS records. When the GoDaddy tab opens, log into your account. Be sure to enter your credentials only on the official GoDaddy sign-in page. After signing in, review the access request carefully, then authorize the connection. This approval allows your website platform to make the necessary domain connection changes on your behalf. In most cases, this includes the settings required to point your domain to your site correctly. After you approve the request, the connection handshake will begin between GoDaddy and your site platform. Depending on the service, you may be redirected back automatically, or you may need to return to the original browser tab. From there, the setup should continue, with the domain now linked through the automated process. If the changes don't appear instantly, give it a little time. Domain updates can sometimes take a while to fully process, even when the connection itself is successful. And that's it. By entering your domain, selecting GoDaddy, and authorizing the automated connection, you can complete the setup in just a few